In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export JSON data from Trello. By the end, you'll have a clean, structured file of your board data that you can back up, analyze, or feed into other tools. JSON is a lightweight text format that stores information in a structured way, making it ideal for developers and for anyone who wants a full snapshot of cards, lists, labels, comments, and more. Start on the Trello board you want to export. Make sure you're signed in and that you have at least member access to the board. Some workspaces limit export features based on permissions, so if you don't see the options I'm about to show, you may need to ask an admin to grant access. Also, remember this export will include board data, so handle it carefully if it contains private or sensitive details. Look to the top right area of your board for the three-dot menu. Depending on your layout or screen size, it may appear near the board title or within the main toolbar. Click the three dots to open the board options. This is Trello's quick access to settings and utilities that aren't always visible on the main screen. If your window is very narrow, try maximizing it to reveal the menu clearly. From that menu, choose Print, Export and Share. Export and Share. Trello groups related actions here to help you create hard copies, share your board, or pull your data out. Selecting this opens a panel dedicated to outputs so you don't have to dig through settings or switch to another page. Next, click Export as JSON. Trello will generate a JSON representation of your board. In many browsers, you'll either see a download start automatically or a new tab will open showing the raw JSON text. If it opens in a tab, use your browser's Save option to download it as a .json file. Save it somewhere you'll remember and keep the .json extension intact so other tools recognize it. If your browser asks where to save, give the file a clear name that includes the board title and date. Once saved, you can open the file in a code editor or a JSON viewer to pretty print it for easier reading. You'll find details for lists, cards, checklists, labels, members, and activity. Attachments are referenced by links, not embedded files. If you're using this for reporting, you can pass it in scripts or import it into tools that accept JSON. That's it. You've exported your Trello board to JSON safely and cleanly. Keep the file secure, especially if it contains sensitive information, and repeat this process anytime you need an up-to-date snapshot of your board.